Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at my Steam Deck. This case is about $20 on eBay, and I received it back in December when I originally received my Steam Deck in the mail. Unfortunately, this kickstand I didn't like too much. It props it up at a weird angle, and you know what? It's just flimsy. Like, it's made out of really cheap, thin plastic. Anyway, I really like this case for the price. However, this right here, I've been waiting on this for 2 months. Back when I received my Steam Deck in December, I ordered the Killswitch from DBRAND. Little did I know, my Killswitch wouldn't come in for another 2 whole months. Meanwhile, reviewers got it way earlier, like back when I ordered in December. Yeah, delivered. Finally. However, these skins, oh my god, they look beautiful. I really think that'll look well. Of course, you get a high quality microfiber cloth. I like how the edges are braided. They even have a logo in the center. This is what I've been waiting for. That holographic looks so nice. Can't wait to see it on my Steam Deck. I know, you guys want to see the case. We'll get to that in a second. These right here are, in my opinion, one of the best parts of this entire purchase. I don't really like the feel of the stock Steam Deck joysticks, so I always prefer to put a thumbstick grip on my Steam Deck. Alright, let's see how these feel. Oh, nice and grippy. Okay, I really like these. Now, finally on to the case itself. Seems pretty robust. I really like the plastics they used. Yeah, that's not breaking anytime. Okay, comes off pretty easy. Here's my Steam Deck without a case. Let's stick it in there. Oh. Okay. So pretty standard for Steam Deck cases. Pretty hard to take off and put back on, in my opinion. Comment down below. Which one of these skins do you think I should have gone with? I really think the matte one would have looked good with my carbon fiber on my trackpads. But in the end, I had to go with the holographic one. I think this will look really well once the entire case is put on. I did use a hairdryer to make this sticker more malleable. Seems pretty well on there. One problem I have is these corners kind of have, I can feel a wrinkle in them. I think that will be a problem later on when we put the case on. Yeah, that's definitely gonna dig into the skin. you look closely, you can kind of see the wrinkles. Alright, let's stick this in here. Yeah, I'm not doing this on camera. Well, we got it on, and without any major issues. It looks amazing. Honestly, even though it took 2 months, I think it was worth the wait. I really like how it feels in the hand so far. After playing with it for a little bit, I really like the texture on it. This grippy material really holds your hand well. However, it does seem to scratch, especially when taking off the travel case. There's a view of the kickstand. However, one problem I had was the SD card.
Goodbye.
That is such a tiny opening. How do you expect anyone to reach in there? There's no way. Well, we'll see about that. What? What? What the fuck? Let's see how easy it is to put the travel cover on. Okay. Yeah, that's really solid. Plenty of vent holes for the intake. Kickstand clicks in nice and well. This is the new mechanism. They replaced the magnets and gave us this tri-point locking system. I think that's going to work really well. I can't wait to get a battery holder for it. On the kickstand itself, they also added these 4 SD card slots that you can use to store your extra SD cards. So you can have your whole games library with you. What you do is you pull down that tab, it releases the SD card, and you can pull it right out. I really like the quality plastics they used. It's really robust, and I don't think it would have any problems taking care of my Steam Deck. I'd like to add that all of this was purchased with my own independent money. I was not sponsored by DBRAND or any other company to cover this. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to see more.